All right, we're gonna try it. We're gonna try a test record again. You fucks. Good.
Yeah.
Bapa booey, bapa booey.
Baba booey, baba booey.
I can hear you.
All right, cool.
Give me the formula.
Give me the formula.
Oh, wait. Is that better?
Oh yeah, you were. On,
Oh,
Were you
yeah.
on 10 again?
Yeah, I was on
Everybody
-10.
check that.
Hello.
Are you on straight line too? Everybody's on straight line. You're on straight line.
Yep, straight
All
line.
right, cool. I don't know why that one keeps getting flipped around. How about skip ad, motherfucker? Get me off that shit. Let me see the news.
I'm gonna do a sound test, by the way, on this.
That's fine.
This is weird.
I'm not used to being on the right side.
Oh,
I was working on my computer yesterday, and I was like, I just need some background noise, and so I threw on Birdemic.
Well, because why not? Fuck it up.
It's so bad.
Birdemic, it's the one.
The part that cracked me up the most.
Eat it. That was from.
Another recording. Another one. Another one bites the dust. And another one does. Another one bites the dust. Nope.
Well, I'll see you guys next.
Sound checkies. Oh look, it's already
Were you
recording.
taking a video?
Yeah, I was getting a little.
All right,
on here.
this is the sound check apparently.
Hi.
Hi, sound checkies.
Hello.
We should have gotten these logos on both sides.
No.
Or at least like our abbreviations on the back.
You should just like draw like a butt back there.
A dick butt.
A dick
A
butt.
dick butt. Yes. I love dick butt.
In a bad sense, like
Walker,
we are always
worry
in
about
a
you.
stage of perpetual worry for all the people that we care about.
Oh, there you
No,
go.
we're in a
And
stage
you
of
fall into
perpetual
that
worry.
What the fuck are you doing?
We're in a stage of perpetual worry for Walker because we think he's on a slow decline of mental stability, and we're afraid at one point he may just go AWOL.
Oh, there's
on
nothing
us.
slow about that. I'm going down the bunny hill.
We're at about half jog. You know when you see a guy in videos walking down a hillside to
skiing.
catch up with his
I'm
friends?
rolling. I'm rolling.
I'm skiing on the wrong side of the bunny hill, aiming towards the cliff.
And I'm going off the deep end, folks. Oh no. Oh.
We weren't recording, right?
Yep.